In this video, we will learn how to make a website using AI step by step. So let's get started. First of all, using your browser, search for Google AI Studio. Then open the following website. I will provide the link in video description. Next, on the landing page, click on Get Started button. Then you need to log in using your Gmail account. I have already logged in. On this page, on the left sidebar, look for Build option and click on it. Now you need to start a new chat and ask Google AI Studio to create your website. So for prompt, we will use ChatGPT. Simply go to chatgpt.com and sign in. Then using your free account, you can type the following prompt in which we will ask it to provide us dummy content for a barber shop. As this is an example video, you need to add your content information correctly and give the name as well. So now click send. The ChatGPT provided us with a dummy content. We will use it to generate a demo website. Again, we need the modern, responsive and professional website. So we will ask ChatGPT to provide us the design as well. So it will give us a prompt of the design. Now basically we have two things from ChatGPT. First one is the dummy data. Second one is the UI and UX layout in a prompt. Simply copy all the text. Now go back to Google AI Studio and paste that text here. Now again go back and copy the data as well. Come back to Google AI Studio and paste here again. Now finally click Build. It will take some time and analyze our prompt before generating the final website. The website is now ready, but before that, we need to finish up some steps, such as it's asking us to choose our preferred website design. So there are 5 options. I like the first one, so I choose that, then select this design. It will apply the design automatically. The website is now ready. Now you can see the live preview of the website, which looks quite professional and responsive as well. Now we can check its responsiveness across the devices by clicking here and choosing mobile. We can also check it on the tab as well. Now, as our website is ready, we will go to some other settings. If you click on the code here, you will be able to see all the files of this website. You can download these files by clicking this icon. Finally, you can upload them on any host and your website will be live. There are some settings as well. Click on the gear icon and here we have multiple options such as chat, where you can select the model for chat. Under share, there is an option to share your website. So if you click on journal access, you can see you can make it public so anyone with the link can access your website. So let's publish our website. To publish it, simply click on publish button and then click get started. Again, click publish app. The website is now published and it provided us with the live URL as well, which we can copy and paste in the browser to access our website. So click open. Here you go. The website is ready, purely made with AI. You can adjust it, you can edit it by simple natural language. So that's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe for more.